normally we work together as a work area, and you are leading the IMS for 5G-RG project stream, which is really a key value extracting work within the converged system and the WWC architecture. Could you just tell us today about what is going on in the 5G project stream and in the IMS for 5G-RG project stream? What is new and what are you working on?
Yeah, sure. I can tell you what we are doing is specifying a voice service on a 5G-RG, and this is doing under the, let's say, architecture of a converged system. So the voice service on the 5G-RG will communicate or interact with an IMS, with a mobile IMS that is connected via a 5G core system. So compared to, let's say, an FNRG, which is connected or has a hybrid access for 4G and wireline, the new idea is that we have a wireline wireless convergence system, an IMS voice system that is running on 5G RG and is connected, let's say, to a mobile IMS system. In the past, we need two systems, access and IMS were in the FNRG developed, let's say, separately, and the new idea is to have a full converged voice system. And we are working on two documents, let's say, here in the BBF. We have one document that is covering the architecture stuff, so to give context, how the voice service is included in the overall technology and architecture. And then we are working on a requirement specification, and in this requirement specification, we follow, let's say, the specification. And it's oriented on the specifications. We do not reinventing the wheel, but we are doing stuff again, copy stuff, and identify the gap and specifying the gap here for the access technology. So we are orienting on specifications of other standardization bodies like IETF, 3GPP, and GSMA, especially the NG114 specification, and moving and transferring it to on top the 5G-RG, and how voice is interacting there, or the client interacting with an IMS system, or let's say the access, the AGF and the 5G core, and how this is done. And this leads for a service provider to the opportunity that they converge also, or could have a converged IMS system. And because the registration procedure, etc., all this stuff is working like, let's say, on a mobile end device, and the client on the 5G-RG, the voice client, can therefore connect with the IMS system, the mobile IMS system, and that has the opportunity for the service operator just to operate one kind of technology. And this is the advantage, the commercial advantage also of the BBS activity here of WWC regarding the voice service.
Super, super exciting. So I guess there's a lot more coming in the future. So we'll be happy to hear more about it. Thanks for now, and really pleasure.
Thanks for the opportunity to talk about and to introduce this fancy, good technology.